I'm Casin Swann with Vulcan Materials here in Nashville. Randy Madden with Metro Nashville Public Works and I are going out on a pothole patrol today here in Nashville, looking for opportunities to use Easy Street. Follow us and we'll see what we find. Going over to do a repair on Harding and Antioch Pike. That's a very busy location here in Nashville that gets an excessive amount of traffic. Going to use Easy Street on it because we know it's going to be a proven product. Metro has used Easy Street in excess of 7 years with us ever since we started producing it. We've done several demos with them over the years to help be able to show what Easy Street will do in most any application that you try to use it under, however it's applied, and any conditions it's put under, how well it holds up. So we're going to go over and fix a problem in a main thoroughfare here in South Nashville. A lot of times they choose to use Easy Street even when hot mix is available if it's something quick and more convenient, but certainly whenever they're not working, we're not running asphalt at night or on weekends, they know they can use Easy Street to be able to be a permanent repair for everything that they've got that comes up. So as I've said on numerous occasions, Easy Street's kind of like a drug. You ever get on it, it's hard to get off of it. It sells itself once you're able to get on it.